Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best way to clean a microwave. It's always good to put a paper towel or some sort of cover over your food so it doesn't splatter all over the place and it's less of a cleanup. If you choose not to do that, here we go. We have a half a cup of vinegar. We're going to pour it into a bowl. We're going to get a half a cup of water and do the same. Pour it into the bowl. Then we are going to place it in the microwave and put the microwave on for 10 minutes. Now that it's done, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to check it out. If it scrubs off nice and easy like this, then you know you're ready to get started. If not, you could always put it in for a little longer. That's up to you. Now I'm going to grab a sponge and I'm going to grab some soap. You shouldn't have to apply too much pressure, and if you do, I would put the vinegar and the water in for a few minutes longer, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. That way it gets real steamy inside and it's less work for you to do. I don't know if you can notice, but I switched the sponges, and this sponge I got at the Dollar Tree. It's got a little rougher texture. It works amazing. I took the glass part off, and now I'm going to do right underneath it. Everything's coming off nice and easy. Now I'm all done, and this is the before shot. And here is the after. What's amazing about this is it was barely any work. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.